We are going to attempt Kitts Beach from our home here in New Westminster via Skytrain and Bus. Seems like a good idea. Beautiful day today. Perfect day to hit the beach. Got a bus stop just down here. There goes my crew. They're getting ahead of me. The theory is if we take the bus and Skytrain, we don't have to deal with parking. And so, hassle-free. Just got a bus stop up ahead. It's like a 2-minute walk from our house. So this first part's pretty easy. Christina is in charge of research. What have you found, Christina?
The bus is supposed to be here in 4 minutes. Dale, say hi.
Hi.
What's your name, young man?
Dale, take your bag. He makes it look so heavy.
There's the Skytrain. This is a low-heed Skytrain station. It's quite a bus hub. Okay, hold my hand. We're gonna just tag in here.
Guys, this is our start. This is the last one.
Go, Mateo.
Train to BCC Clark.
All right. Okay, we're all going through this big one. Whoa. That's our bus. That is a long bus. What's that? Oh, they're heading down there? All right. You can see the water. Ocean dead ahead. He's being good, Grandma. Oh, that's a neat old house.
Oh, that's a beautiful house.
Is that a beauty? This, yeah. That is an old timer. What's that sound, Mateo?
A pigeon.
A pigeon.
No, it's seagull.
A child.
A seagull.
Yeah, seagulls.
Seagull. Would the seagulls eat fish?
Yes, they will eat fish and
Because I hear that
And
they
children.
eat fish.
they like French fries.
French fries.
Yes,
Let's wait.
that's right. We're getting closer.
How come it feels like we just got farther away from them?
Oh, that's the
No, we just have to walk down the hill.
I was scared already.
We have a crosswalk, Christina, with a light.
Where?
Here we go.
Just looking for the bus stop. Yo, there's the bus stop we're gonna take. I'm swimming there or there?
I think we have arrived. Oh, that's amazing, Mateo. He's ready.
I'm not.
Oh, Logie's getting changed. Mateo. Oh, he looks very relaxed.
Not the head.
Yeah.
Oh, be careful. Now I get why he has his goggles on. He had planned this far in advance.
You wanna be like that? You wanna stay like that? Yeah?
No, but why you put my shoes on me? I can break in. Look, I'm breaking. Why are you doing that? Here I go.
Okay, be careful with the sand on him, on his mouth.
Just tell me when you wanna get out, okay?
I want to get out. Well, I can get out.
Oh my god!
Oh, look at him!
He's getting out of his neck. Hey, hold on.
We made it to the water. Mateo's closing in. Wow, awesome day. Oh,
I so fishy.
I don't think there's no fishies here.
Oh, a castle.
Mateo says it's cold. What?
That was a big Hey, look. No, I'm looking for the crab. I can't see the crab.
You're looking for
Crab.
crabs?
Yeah.
All right.
Any crabs around? Hey, did you found crabs yet?
Crabs like being in there.
Oh, barnacles.
Barnacles even there.
Well, that's their home.
Oh, I found crabs. I found a crab. Now it's gone.
Here he comes.
Where's the crab again?
You guys saw crabs?
I got you.
Hey, where was the crab?
Any fish, Logie? Any fish?
Yeah, I saw a tiny fish over there.
Ah.
Wait, a tiny fish? Why
Logie.
does the fish don't go here?
Well, they could do. Logie says he saw a fish.
But why is the fish not here?
Oh,
Fish here.
Logie saw another one.
Hey!
Oh, hold on to Logie's hand. You.
Hold drop his hand.
Hey, that's our bus. Number 84. That's our bus. That's great.
84. UCC. Clark. Station.
On you get. On you get. Mateo, what'd you think of the beach?
Not
Not good, Mateo says. Not good.
Okay, guys, come in.
Don't lose your concentration, Mateo.
Give me a backpack. You okay, man?
Christina. Good day. Good day.
on the right.
We are back at our front door. There's Grandma. There's Mateo.